Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make dessert for upcoming Valentine's Day. There are chocolates with jam inside. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. I have jam already prepared and the link how to do it is as always in the description below. We start by putting nuts into the blender. I will use hazelnuts and almonds. Nuts should be soaked for at least 8 hours. Now we have to add soaked dates. These should be soaked for at least 2-3 hours. Be careful, cause they can have pits inside. We add half of the peeled avocado. And also some coconut oil. It's best to melt it a bit earlier so it will mix better with the rest of the ingredients. Add a little salt and coconut flour. I will add a tablespoon of flour first and the rest later. Its amount depends on how thin the mass is. Now we mix everything together. We will add some cocoa, carob and the rest of the coconut flour if needed. Then we mix everything again so the ingredients combine precisely with each other. We put the mass into the bowl and we will be able to put it into the molds. Lay out 1/3 of the half of the mold with prepared mass and then give a little jam. This is how we prepare all of the molds. We should leave half of the mass in the bowl. When they are ready, put them in the freezer to thicken the jam. When the mass is ready, we can apply top layer of the same mass we used earlier. We will put the chocolates in the freezer again to harden the mass. The next and final step is topping. It's just the chocolate from my previous videos with some almond milk added to it. We cover the whole chocolates. You can use your hand or, for example, a fork to avoid getting dirty. Then we put them on a tray and into the freezer until the coating hardens. All of the links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. Bon appetit!